Yo, welcome everybody. I have something I want to talk to you now about. And it's about Shenseea. You see me? Today, Shenseea posted a picture that went viral. That picture, yeah. I'm gonna tell the God truth. My hurt. I'm devastated. I feel it. Shenseea the only woman who me give my heart, my lungs, and my liver to you. Remember the first time I ever see Shenseea, but the day in my room. December 2016. Then in Jamaica, I'm gonna watch Hype TV, yo. I'm gonna see one brown body jaw just walk across my TV screen, yo. I'm gonna hear the sexy Shenseea. Me say, who are Shenseea? I want to see the song named Looney featuring Vibes Cartel. Me say, which girl this? And then when my girl say her pum pum fluffy like sheet spread. Ever since then. Listen, me I follow Shenseea before she even reached 100,000 followers, yo. I never love somebody the way I love Shenseea. Me remember Atlanta, the Caribbean Carnival reached out to me and asked me, yo, Yaadman, Etan, do you want to cover Atlanta, the Caribbean Carnival? Give me this privilege. So me I work on my platform for hour long. Me up on YouTube for a little bit over a year now. And I say to myself, yo, I just want a bus because it's my bus. When my bus, they give me opportunity to be closer to Shenseea, yo. Ever since Atlanta, the Caribbean Carnival reached out to me and them asked me to make some videos including Shenseea. Ever since then, I've been in her comment section. I literally move out. I'm start living in a Shenseea comment section. Every post she posts. Me that. Me dead. Yaadman don't miss nothing Shenseea. I was preparing myself for Carnival. Carnival is next week, yo. May 25th. And them give me the opportunity to cover the event. With out there with my microphone and interview people. And go out with my usual Yaadman antics. And them will give me media pass so I can meet the artist them. I would have finally get the opportunity for me Shenseea. Yo, for telling the God truth. It's when I meet Shenseea, I'm gonna go down on one knee, so. I want to have fun. I wanna know how much we love her, yo. And then she come go do this to me. In her bed with another woman. And you know what upset me the most? The fact that she crap me out of the picture. Shenseea, why you crap me out of the picture? I did the tree away in the room and you know it. Shenseea, why you play so rough? Put me back into the picture now, babes. Post the real picture. Shenseea, stop hiding your love for me, no man. And show the people them the truth. Please, babes, I beg you. Shenseea, if you didn't want a woman, why you never tell me? Why you never tell me, Shenseea? Anything for you, Shenseea. You should have asked me, Shenseea.